you have to be a little bit mindful right now, dear Scorpio, to make sure that you don't make things more difficult than they need to be. There are people around you that make things very difficult. And I don't know, I'm not necessarily saying they're doing it intentionally. Maybe it's a habit, maybe it's just the part of who they are. I don't know. But you have people around you that make things far more difficult than it needs to be. And this can lead to a lot of frustration for you. And so it leads to the need to want to change, sometimes change these people, or get really hopeful about these people can change. And when they do, they can see things differently and so on. And that's not useful to you. I feel like you're beginning to take in the way that they make things difficult for themselves. I feel like you're beginning to take that in as well. And so today, I want to suggest this for the Scorpios. Whatever feels really difficult but doesn't need to be difficult. I don't know what that is. Pick something that you think feels feels very difficult, but deep down you know it doesn't need to be that difficult. I want you to just imagine the difficulty as a shape or something, a color, whatever. And I want you to take it out of your body and say to this difficulty, I'm just going to put you here aside for now so I can breathe a little bit. I need to feel lighter. I need to experience some lightness, and I can't do that while you are in my body. So I'm acknowledging you. I'm not saying you shouldn't exist. I'm just going to take you out of my body and put you here, and I will come back to you. I just need a break from this difficulty. And I feel like that's going to support you to have some space and calm in the body. And once there's space and calm in the body, you will know what needs to be addressed.